acres. Today we're doing the beadboard ceiling part 2. We have 2 pieces of beadboard ceiling up already. We had a bunch of insulation that we got from a friend of ours who's taking it out of his attic to put spray foam in. We used as much as we could. The rest was kind of rough shape. So unfortunately, we're not going to be able to insulate everything between the basement and the first floor. I wish we could. We don't have the money for it, so we're just going to have to go without. That said, we're going to have a layer of beadboard, which we didn't have, so we're already better off than we were before. Remember, do the best you can with what you got. Stick around to the end of the video. That's where I'll share all the things that I learned. Lots to do. Let's get to it. Perhaps my goal of finishing the entire ceiling in one half of one day was a little ambitious. We didn't finish. We got further for sure. We've got a bunch of ceiling up. We haven't done trim yet. Still gotta do all along there and all along there. We put this piece of tin back up. I trimmed it. I forgot to record that part. Bentley is judging all of it. All in all, a really successful day. And more to come tomorrow. It's the next day. Spent the morning doing other things. Wasn't able to work in the basement and everyone was sleeping in the house. So didn't want to wake everyone up with an impact driver. And this girl wants to hang with me. Hi, what's up? Yeah, how you doing? What's up? Yeah, good girl. Good girl. Okay, let's get to work. I cut that whole piece to fit in there. Backwards. See? You can see it now. And that's the second time I've done that. That's the second piece I've wasted. Because I did the same thing with this one. I put the light hole on the wrong.
You and Bunker should take a bath together.
Maybe Bunker and I should take a bath together?
Yep. Yeah. Soak in the hot tub.
Maybe Bunker and I should drink whiskey together. So here we are at the end of part 2 of building a beadboard ceiling in the basement. Not gonna lie, feeling a little defeated today. Lots of learnings. The things that I will do differently from now on. When I cut boards, they're gonna be white side down. By having them white side up, I have to mentally flip them in my head to be able to make cuts correctly. I've wrecked 2 boards now by cutting them the wrong way. I basically cut them mirrored how they should have been cut, and there's not really a way to salvage that whole board. I can use the scrap to fill in pieces so they're still usable. Project like this, I just want to be efficient about it, and instead I'm being not efficient, and it's frustrating. The other thing we learned is to mark the walls where the furring strips are with just a 1/2-inch Sharpie mark. It'll be covered up by trim anyways, but makes it much easier to be able to screw the beadboard into the ceiling when you're against the wall and you don't know exactly where the furring strip is. Also, dropped a lot of screws. So we got smart and started pre-screwing the boards, at least in a few strategic places, so that when we got the boards in place, the screws were there and I could just drill them right in. That made a huge difference. Probably won't get to part 3 for at least a week, maybe 2. I have some other things I need to do, and I need to step away from this for a little bit. and then come back to it. You'll see part 3, probably not next. Thank you so much for hanging out with us here on 4 Acres. We really appreciate it. We have a few big things coming up soon that I'm excited to show you, so keep checking back because there'll be more coming. If you made it this far, please smash that thumbs up button. We would appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button because I'd love to show you what else we got going on here. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching 4 Acres. Thank you for being a part of our lives. Remember, do the best you can with what you got, and we'll see you around. Take care. Don't eat the spray foam. Don't eat the spray foam. Hey, hey.
It's not a worm.
The R value of my chickens is amazing. Let's do it.
Oh, get off! Get off! Bunker, that's not okay. Go get a drink.